So I'm trying to, my Toyota Highlander 2001 has some misfires. According to the, you can hear it, and also you can see it in the OBD2 report, the check engine report. So I'm just going to, someone else in one video talks about the impedance or resistance. Actually, it's impedance. So I'm just going to, since it's a coil, most likely it's impedance. I have to double check that, but I think he's right about impedance rather than resistance. So I put it at ohms, and I'm going to measure the resistance of a new one I just bought from Toyota. It's a Denso, Toyota Denso, just today. So I'm going to measure the impedance. I'll put this in there, this resistance, and then take this one. Keep it there with one hand. Let me first put it in both hands. One here. Need alligator clips. Those will be easier. Earlier I did it, but this time I find it's hard to get it. Finally got it. It's reading 0.035. I checked it before and that's what it read. So this is the new one. Where's my lamp? Yeah. It's the new one, which I marked in red. Now I'm going to take the old ones and see how much comes up. This is number 2 and see what the resistance is like. Number 2. So we keep the new one aside. So we write how much it is. New 0.035 ohms. And let's do the old one. So now we are going to 2. 1, 5 and 1, 3 and 5 are hard to remove. You have to take the manifold out. So this is number 2. And now actually hold it. 2 is reading 0.023. Number 2, 0.02. I think it's 2.5 if you hold it properly, but maybe it's 2.3. Yeah, it's 2.3. 2.3 ohms. Now let's go. What's this number? This is 6. Let's go to 4. 4. And remember, these are the old ones, so let's take 2 out, keep it at the camera stand. Then now we are going to 4. So 4, we are going to keep it like that. I checked these earlier when I replaced my spark plugs. I just want to make a video out of it. Number 4 was very high. As you can see, 4 is 0.516. So let's go right down. Number 4, 0.515, 516. So you can see it's very different from the new and the new one here in, and number 2.1. That's what I saw earlier. It's interesting that somebody thought of this to check, to compare. Well, now let's take the number 6. I believe this is number 6. Yeah, number 6 here, number 6. So number 6, close, then keep it there. And then number 6 reads 0.024, which is number 6.024. So this is from a 2001 V6 Highlander. And cylinders 2, 4, and 6. From what I heard, that's facing the front. 2, 4, and 6. 1, 3, and 5 are hard to get to. So I'm guessing this is bad. So let me first replace this and see whether my engine sounds better and the misfiring has reduced. Maybe I need to replace 1, 3, and 5. Maybe I need to replace all. But from this, it looks like this is very different from the new one. So let me go and replace number 4 with the new one. Again, this is number 6.024. More than 20 times. And this is 0.035 for the new one. So they are not too bad.